Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my amazing lightning organic black soap. Now this soap will clear your skin, give you a uniformed skin. It will remove blemishes, clear acne, hyperpigmentation, and make you fall in love with your skin. This soap is easy to make. It's a soap you can replicate right in your kitchen. Soap will make you fall in love with your skin. I'm not kidding. So if this is your very first time of being here, thank you. My name is Goodness. I hope you have subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So without further ado, let's make this natural organic lightning black soap. So our first ingredient is African black soap. Raw, authentic African black soap is usually made from plant and natural ingredients, and it is locally made. It is safe to be used by all skin types and all ages. Now, you only have to add in ingredient and active to suit a particular skin concern and also to suit ages. For instance, the ingredients you add when you're making black soap for children is different from that of adults, and the ingredient for sensitive skin is also different from that one of dry skin or combination skin. So in this video it is all about making lightning black soap. So I'm going to be using more of lightening or brightening actives as the video unveils. African black soap is a natural soap made with ingredients such as cocoa, coconut, palm tree leaves, plantain leaves and plantain extract, shea butter. These are ingredients that are usually burnt together and they are allowed to cure for weeks, and after curing you have your African black soap. So most of the time it is made from Africa, especially Ghana and Nigeria. Here I have my African black soap, but the white one. This is called Ghana white soap, and this soap is a soap booster. You add it to African black soap to boost it, and this is also enriched with natural ingredients. It is also made from local ingredients such as plantain, palm kernel oil, but the process of making this one is different from the black one. Now these soaps, it is not encouraged to use them directly on the skin as it can dry the skin. You add lots of additives, actives to this soap to boost it and make it more potent. Here I have my yellow ozone soap. This is basically a skin brightening soap. It is also locally made. And here I have my pink ozone soap, same with the yellow one, but this is a more lightening ozone soap, a more lightening soap that is usually added to African black soap when making a brightening or a lightening black soap. So basically what the ozone soap does is to boost the lightening effect of African black soap, and this ozone soap comes in different colors, but today I have just pink and yellow ozone soap. So here I have my measuring scale. I'm going to be measuring all my ingredients for accuracy, and I'm going to be measuring off camera. Now I'm going to drop the recipe in the description box, so do well to check it out. Also, I am also going to be shredding my ozone soaps, the yellow ozone soap and the pink ozone soap. The essence of shredding them is to melt them easily, to get them to melt easily, or if you're going to be mixing by hand, to also get them to melt and then infuse into the soap and the actives faster. So in this process of making this Lightening African black soap, I'm going to be using lots of actives and ingredients. So do well to watch this video till the end to see all of the ingredients I'm going to be using, and also every information you'll find in this video will help you to make an effective skin lightening African black soap. So after shredding my ozone and yellow soap, this is what I have. It's looking very colorful, very pinky and yellowy. All right, so this is what I have, the 2 ozone soap well shredded. And now let's begin to make our African soap proper. Now I'm also going to be using my slow cooker or crock pot. This is to make it faster for me, but you can also mix all of these ingredients by hand, or you can use a strong mixer. If you have a strong mixer, you can use a strong mixer, or you can pound with a mortar and a pestle, whichever one you find that works best for you. Just make yourself comfortable. So into my slow cooker, I'm adding the shredded ozone soaps. Now these are just the yellow and pink ozone soap, and I'm also going to be adding my black soap. I have cut my African black soap into smaller chunks to make it easier to melt easily, and here I have it. I have measured it out and I'm adding it also into my slow cooker. So while I am still adding in the soaps, I want to also welcome you once again and encourage you to leave your comments, your suggestions, your opinion in the comment section. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing community. I upload content around natural hair and natural beauty weekly, and you will find them interesting. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So now my soaps are ready. I'm going to cover this slow cooker and leave it until everything is fully dissolved. Here we are. This took me about 3 hours. I literally covered the pot and left it, went about my business, then came back, stirred it over and over again, and finally this is what we have. Everything is fully dissolved, well melted. Also, I forgot to mention that I left my slow cooker in the lowest temperature, and after 3 hours, when all the soaps have fully melted, fully dissolved, and everything is looking smooth, I turned off heat. You can see how smooth, how nice the texture is. It's looking so yummy. All right, so once it is like this, it is time to turn off heat and then add in the actives and the rest of the ingredients. So I'm starting with my shea butter. We cannot make this soap without shea butter. Shea butter is super moisturizing to the skin. It helps to soften the skin, hydrate and lock in moisture to the skin. Very, very calming to irritated and sensitive skin. So we need to add in shea butter, but this is optional. You can choose any other butter you feel very comfortable with. And I love shea butter. It is super healing to the skin, especially if you're making this soap for dry skin, for sensitive skin, then you will need to add in shea butter. It will be very calming to the skin, and at the same time very moisturizing. Now it is easy for my shea butter to melt because the soap is still warm. Now I'm going in with the rest of the ingredients. I'm starting with my sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is an amazing powder you need in your black soap formulation. It will help to prevent and fight acne, and also brighten the skin. I'm also going in with my rice powder. I actually made this rice powder myself. I just grinded rice to get this rice powder. This will help to exfoliate the skin. It is also rich in phytic acid to help reduce hyperpigmentation. Next, I'm going in with my salicylic acid. This is a member of the beta hydroxy acid, that's BHA. Salicylic acid will help to unclog pores, reduce excess oil. That is why it is popular in acne products, and it is very, very effective in fighting acne. I'm also going in with my orange peel powder and my cinnamon powder. This will also help to reduce skin rashes, improve skin, tighten skin, brighten skin as well. I'm also going in with my neem powder and my oat powder. These two ingredients are amazing. Neem is amazing for fighting acne, reducing blemishes, calming itchy skin, and oat powder also helps to calm itchy, irritated skin. Is very necessary in this black soap formulation. I'm also going in with my goat milk powder and my kojic depalmitate. Now, kojic depalmitate is for lightening the skin. This will help to lighten the skin, and the goat milk powder also helps to nourish and moisturize the skin. I'm also going in with my mob and my alpha arbutin. Now, because this soap is a lightening soap, I'm adding in lightening actives. This is why I'm adding alpha arbutin, which is a lightening, an organic lightening active, and mulberry powder also is a lightening active and also helps to smoothen skin and reduce redness on the skin. Also, I have my turmeric powder and my niacinamide powder. I'm adding niacinamide to help with acne and to also reduce redness and smoothing skin, and turmeric is amazing. It helps to even out skin tone, reduce scars, great for reducing acne, and also slows down aging process. Now, most of the ingredients I added is to lighten the skin. This is why I said that when it comes to making African black soap, it is a soap you formulate to suit your skin concern, your skin type, or whatever you want to achieve with your skin. So now I have all my powders and I'm combining all the ingredients together to make sure everything is well incorporated. I also forgot to mention that I added camwood, which I later on added, and now I'm going in with my oils here. So here I have measured out my oils. I have my coconut oil and my vegetable glycerin combined, and also here I have my herbal oil. This herbal oil is a mixture of herbs and oils I infused together. I have a video coming up next week to share with you how I made my herbal oil, so do well to stay on this channel to see the video. And the last oil I just poured in is my preservative, my fragrance, and my vitamin E, and this is the grade I used. This soap smells amazing. I added in lavender as my fragrance, and this is a top grade lavender. It smells amazing. And for my vitamin E, I used D tocopherol, which is very nourishing to the skin and will also help to extend the shelf life of the oils in this soap. So here I have all the ingredients together. I used Germa Plus as my preservative. All the ingredients in the right measurement, you will find them attached in the description box. So after adding the actives, the oils, it is time for me to mix in properly. You want to make sure all the ingredients are fully combined. This may take a while to combine all the ingredients together because you don't want any tiny bomb in the soap. It has to be smooth, and also so the actives can infuse properly into the soap. Now once it is ready, you also want to make sure that the jar or the container you're going to be storing this soap is well sanitized. I usually wash my storage container or my jar overnight, and the following day I cleanse it with a rubbing alcohol just to make sure it is safe and free from germs and bacteria. This way the soap will last longer, and also it is also advisable to use this soap after 24 hours to 3 days. Let the soap sit and cure for at least 24 hours before you start using it, so the ingredients can marinate, if I have to use the word. It can infuse properly and then become more effective before you use it. So the texture of this soap will thicken up as it cools down completely or after about 24 hours. The longer the soap cures, the better it becomes. It is going to thicken up, and I'm going to show you a picture of the soap after about 24 hours. This African black lightening soap will help to clear blemishes, reduce hyperpigmentation, clear acne, clear rashes from the skin. This is an effective lightening soap that will help to lighten your skin, give you up to a shade lighter, but this will not bleach your skin in any way. This will not change your complexion entirely. It will make your skin more uniformed, make you fall in love with your skin, give you a clearer, lighter, well uniformed skin. So this is the soap the following day. You can see the texture is more thick and so nice, and I hope you like this soap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're going to be trying out this soap, let me know in the comment section. And if you also want to get this soap is also available for sale, send me a message and I will be glad to ship the soap to you. So I'll see you in the next video.